There's the Aiper X1 pool cleaner, and as you can see, it really is great, and I highly recommend it to anyone. So when you want to charge it, you literally just take it out, unplug it there, plug it back in with that power point, and it gets start working. Let's go and look at the charger now quite quickly and set it up for you. So you can see here is the charging base. Now it's very easy to set up. You literally just take it out of the box, clip it into place. I tend to put this against a wall, would normally be easier so it doesn't move at all when you're using it, but just for this demonstration, I want to show you it on there. So then grab this Aiper Scuba X1 and actually grab it. Now it needs to line up on the sensors. So you basically turn around, pop it on the sensors. Now the great thing about it is because it's quite light as well, it's very easy to do. As you can see, I'm just using one arm there to lift it. Now you go and put it on there, put it across it and plug it in, and it starts charging straight away. So it's very, very straightforward to do that. As you can see, I'm plugging it in, very easy. Just like that, and it's on its way. So there you go, there's the Aiper X1 pool cleaner, and as you can see, it really is great, and I highly recommend it to anyone.